First on our list is Soda PDF. Soda PDF allows you to edit your PDFs online, but you can also download a free version that you can get on their official homepage via the links in the description. And all these websites will be available in the description. Now, to edit your PDF file, you simply hit on open, or you can simply use other functionalities they have in here. You can also go ahead and download the free version, which you can access via this link right here, and you download it to your PC or at the top right here. So I'll leave a link to this page and you will get access to Soda PDF. Next on our list is Segida.com. This is another online tool that allows you to edit your PDF files, and they have a bunch of other tools available as well, from conversion from one file format to another and other PDF functionalities as well. Now you can also use the search feature which they have right here to find a specific tool you want to use. You can add watermarks, unlock and protect your PDF files as well. Now if you haven't seen that video where I show you how to password protect your PDF file, I'll leave a link to that in the description as well. Next is Pdfescape.com. This also allows you to edit your PDF files, and all you have to do is simply to hit on free online right here, and you can also get the desktop version if you want it downloaded on your PC. You can edit PDF files, annotate PDF files, fill out PDF forms, and create basic PDF forms, password protect your PDF files, and share your documents as well as view any PDF files you have. The next one is the one of my favorite ones, and this is ilmpdf.com. It allows you to get access to a bunch of features. ilmpdf has all the features you get with Adobe Acrobat, and you can use this website for 100% free and edit your PDF by hitting right here. Now once you're ready, all you need to do is to simply select your PDF file either from Google Drive or from Dropbox right here. It's that easy, and they have a bunch of other tools you can access right here at the top, or you can use the conversion tool if you want. The last one, and this is another great one which is organized in a real great way, which I really like, is iprescom, which is also known as PDF Candy, which is a free online PDF editor. You can go ahead and use all the free tools they have in here. You can split PDFs, edit the PDF, and also convert from one format to another. It is that easy to edit your PDFs online. You don't even need to sign up for this. All you need to do is as simple as choosing your desired feature, and you should be good to go. Or you can add your files from the Google Drive or Dropbox, or simply from your PC, and it's that easy. You don't even need to sign up. That's gonna do it for this video. Check out the video on the screen that will show you exactly how to edit your PDF files online.